Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 1998 Honda Valkyrie 1500. This 6-cylinder liquid-cooled cruiser just arrived with 88,000 miles. Bike is in fantastic running condition. We're getting 2 brand new tires on this badass shaft drive Valkyrie. Torque monster. Come on by. 2-tone paint, running lights, engine guards, Mustang saddle with backrest, front and rear saddle bags. Come on by, make your Valkyrie dreams come true for just $39.99. This bike is not going to be here long. No financing on this Valkyrie. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.